Hi friends, welcome once again in my YouTube channel Learn with Mahesh Gade. Today we are going to learn the poem You Start Dying Slowly of 10th class, written by a famous poet Pablo Neruda. First of all, we read the poem, then we explain the poem in short, and after explaining we see the appreciation of the poem. Okay, let's go to learn the poem.
You start dying slowly. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sound of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. If you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. If you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice. Pablo Neruda. Friends, the title of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly, written by famous poet Pablo Neruda. In this poem, the poet explains that there is a difference between living and existing. Life becomes meaningful when we accept new friends, new challenges, and chase new dreams. When we lose our self-esteem, get afraid before taking risks, keep doing the same thing again and again, we have started dying slowly. When we do not make new goals and look into the uncertain future, these are the signs of a slow death. This is the short explanation of the poem. Let us see the appreciation. There are 5 points in the appreciation. The first point is title. The title of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly. Second point, poet. The poet of the poem is Pablo Neruda. Third point, rhyme scheme. This poem is an example of free verse. There is not any type of rhyming scheme in this poem. The fourth point is figure of speech. The main figure of speech used in this poem is anaphora. Anaphora is the repetition of the same word or group of the words at the beginning of successive lines. And the example of this anaphora is if you do not, this line is repeated in the poem. Now the last point, that is theme or central idea. This is a didactic poem. The theme of the poem is how you should lead your life. To truly live and experience life, you must follow your passions. You must travel, read, dress well, or whatever your heart desire. Most important, you must not avoid feelings and emotions. Do things that allow your heart to beat fast. If you are afraid and do not chase your dream, then your life can become meaningless, and it is as good as dying slowly. In this way, this is an inspirational poem. This is the central idea of the poem. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Learn with Mahesh Gade, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.